Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road just off the Trans-Canada Highway in Duncan, BC, in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2012 Fiat 500 Lounge in the color gray. With a black leather interior and seating for 4, this 2-door coupe has a 5-speed manual transmission and a 1.4-liter 4-cylinder front-wheel drive engine. It's easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'll be happy to take you out on a test drive. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as powered side view mirrors. The driver's seat is manually adjusted. Off to the side there, you have your lighting controls. Your steering wheel can tilt. On the face of your steering wheel, you have cruise controls, hands-free dialing, and media controls with volume. This is a manual transmission, so foot on the clutch and turn the key. Up above in the dash is where you'll see any important messages. There's also a menu you can toggle through. Speed beep, trip B data, set time, set date, C radio, speed display, auto close, units, language, buzzer volume, button volume, hill start, and exit menu. These also all have submenus. Off to the side there's your media display screen with AM/FM satellite radio, CD player, and auxiliary line in. CD player located just there with your volume and tuner. Below that, you have your hazard lights and sport mode. Give that a press, it'll be shown up above in the dash, just above the time. Press it again, and off it goes. Below that, you have your climate control with AC, as well as front and rear defrost. Electronic stability control, and your fog lights are located just there. Powered windows for both driver and passenger. 5-speed manual transmission shifter just there. 12-volt outlet, a little bit of storage, a couple of cup holders. Emergency brake, little armrest there, and off to the side you have your glove compartment with USB and auxiliary line in. Up above, auto dimming rear view mirror, lighting controls, and when you're ready to open up that sunroof, simply click to let in some light and air. 15-inch wheels, chrome colored door handles. Your back hatch has a little bit of a spoiler, as well as a rear windshield wiper. When you're ready to open up that hatch, there's a handle just below that 500 badge. Simply put your hand in there and pull up. You'll notice the inside's nice and roomy and also carpeted. Just above there, you're seeing your tonneau cover for added privacy. When you're ready to close up that hatch, there's a pulley on the right-hand side there. Simply put your hand in there and pull down. And it is now securely closed. You can lock it up and walk away, or head out on your latest adventure. This is a 2-door coupe, so I've already slid that front seat forward for access into the rear seat with seating for 2 in a 50-50 split. When you're ready to access that cargo area, there's a button on the side of the headrest just there, which you can push to fold the seat down to enlarge your cargo space. I've already done it to show you how it looks. When you're ready to put that seat back up in its original position, simply take your hand underneath and push until it clicks in the upright position. At the base of the seat are anchors for baby seats. In the center there, a couple of cup holders. Behind the front seat, slim pockets. And there's also that clip there to slide the seat forward. And up above, there's hooks. Passenger side fuel cap, powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.